Much like John Travolta on those famed Saturday nights, Jon Pierce comes alive to disco.
It was like it was my calling. It was perfect. It was the music for me.
The 73-year-old spent much of the past 6 decades here on the dance floor until he was sidelined by severe arthritis in both hips.
I thought it was all over a couple of times.
Dr. Benjamin Hansen believed there was still hope for Jon.
He was in a lot of pain and confined to a wheelchair. He couldn't walk, and he just had the look of somebody that has just been worn out due to the pain.
The orthopedic surgeon at University of Missouri Healthcare performed a double hip replacement.
I think it bought him years of his life, honestly. He's now able to live a more full life, be more active, which is going to cause other health benefits down the road.
But for Jon, the real test was shaking his new hips on the dance floor. It didn't take much practice. Today, Jon is back to boogieing, and he says he'll keep disco dancing just as long as he's staying alive. From the University of Missouri, I'm Teresa Snow.